In this video, I'm going to show you on how you can put border around text in Canva. So this is one example, and this effect or this style is very popular in social media like TikTok, Instagram, Facebook, because this text is allowing the viewer to identify the content, identify the text easily. It is visible, it is contrast, and it's not really obstructing the view of the whole content like a video or a photo. So let me show you how you can create this effect in Canva. First, I'm going to add a new page, and let's navigate to text, and I'm going to insert some text. Let's say this text is going to be subscribe to this channel, please. Okay, that is the text, and after that you can click on the text box, go to effects, and you want to click on background. That is the effect that you want to apply. I'm going to change the color to white, and after that you can play around with the roundness and also the spread of this effect. You can make it very close or very far away, it's up to you. And another thing that you might want to consider is actually distance between the lines, so you can adjust the spacing right here. I can make it a bit closer or a bit far away. I think closer is probably better for this particular font. And when you're done, this is the result. But what if you want to add more text effects to this particular text box? Well, Canva actually only allows you to get one effect, but nothing is stopping you from duplicating the text box and then adding a different style. So let me show you how you can do it. I'm going to click more, and I'm going to duplicate, and I'm going to change the effect to outline. So that's the outline, and I'm going to change the color to maybe red, and after that I'm going to overlap this text on top of the previous text, and I got these multiple effects in one text or two text boxes, but appear to be one text box in Canva. So that's exactly how you can put border around text in Canva. If you find this video to be helpful, please consider subscribing to this channel for more video like this, and I'll catch you on the next video.